GBPUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about British pound against US dollar. Now before we start the technical analysis, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. That's the least you can do for watching free these analysis videos, which will be most of the time spot on. Okay, so subscribe and like, it's all free. And then below that we have a few links. It says make money on autopilot with forex trading. So this is mainly for newbies. In case if you're a newbie who do not want to learn all this complicated stuff of manual trading, then you can click on the first link here, come to this page, and you can see how you can make this money on automation as well. So you can come and spend your time on this page and see how this method would work, in which we can use a software and give some settings and do the trading on automation. So this is for newbies. Okay, second link says join free Telegram channel. So obviously if you want some free signals, then make sure you are connected with my Telegram. Join it for if it's all free, and I'll send you some free signals every now and then. And it says check out best prop firm and forex broker. So click on this link and come to this page here. And in case you want to join the prop firm means that you trade with somebody else's money. So in case you have the skill but no money, then no money means that you don't have $10,000, $20,000, $50,000 to start trading, but you have the skill to pass the challenge, pass the test, and go and join the world's best prop firm. Click here. But if you have the money and you want to start a broker account and get going, then go and choose these brokers from these brokers, depending which country you are in, and add your money and get started with the trading. Okay, so go and check out these links in your free time. And now coming back to the GBP/USD pair here. We have some disclaimers. So my videos are for educational purposes only, and I don't take any responsibility for your profits and losses. However, you should send me some profits if you make from my videos. Okay. Anyway, so starting with the top-down approach, and also if you're a scalper, I think trading should not be done in scalping. Okay. Anyways, it's up to you. If you can make profits in 5 minutes, 15 minutes, that's entirely up to you. You're doing good. But yes, you can utilize my videos and see the long-term trend and then position yourself accordingly. Okay. However, I don't give any 5 minutes or 15 minutes entry signals. Okay. So coming back to top-down approach in weekly, you can see here we have almost crossed the previous weekly high. So previous weekly high was at 1.33725 and we are at 1337. So yeah, obviously this week we are going to close the previous week's previous weekly high. Okay, so you can draw the blue candle here and you will see that this week pound will break the previous weekly high. After that, two possibilities: either it will take a pullback or it will be a trend reversal. Okay, for example, in last weekly high, if you see this one, it was a trend reversal. Okay, so two possibilities in the weekly. After this week, it will be either trend reversal or it will be a pullback and then the continuation of the uptrend. Okay, so in weekly we are at the top of the previous high. Okay, in daily we have broken all the previous highs. As you can see, in 4 hour as well we are going down now. Okay, in 4 hour, looks like in 4 hour you can consider this a double top bottom if you want to. Okay, because this high did not break the previous high. Okay, so you could say it's a double top bottom, double bottom. Am I saying it correctly? It's double top. Okay, yeah, it's a double top. Double bottom is at the bottom, and this is a double top. Okay, so I think previous high is not broken in 4 hours, so we are going for the pullback now. Okay, so even though trend is up in all higher time frames, weekly is up, daily is up, and 4 hour is also up, but in 4 hour we can see here that the previous high is not broken, so we are surely going to take a pullback now, and we just have to wait that if this is going to be a trend reversal or it's going to be a pullback only. The best thing to do is take a look at the daily chart. Okay, and use your Fibonacci. Where is my Fibonacci? Right here. So use your Fibonacci until here. There you go. Okay, and then if you have the pullback until 38% or 50%, so if you have the red candle coming down here and then you have one more red candle going up, then you have to come to 4 hour as well, and at that time you have to check if your 4 hour is also in the uptrend or not. Okay, so it's a long way to go right now. So in short, we are not entering any trade as a swing trader. Okay, as a swing trader, I am not going to enter into GBPUSD as of now, because I think I have to wait a week maybe, because you see here weekly high is going to be broken this week and then we have to wait for the pullback. So it will take 4 or 5 days So I think personally for me, the GBPUSD will give me the opportunity maybe next week. I don't know, maybe too early, but yeah. But in my case, I do only like 400 pips or maybe 300 pips in one trade. Okay, so I'll wait for the pullback in daily somewhere here, and then if I get the confirmation blue candle, then I will enter, and then I will take 1:2 ratio, or I will take 400 pips in GBP USD, and I'll walk away. So hardly I take like 4 to 5 trades in a month. That's good enough for me. Okay, so this is how I plan my trading, because I don't want to be worried about looking into hourly chart, 30-minute chart. It's just not my thing. Okay, so if you like what you see, then make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you are planning to get into the US GBP USD, I would say if you are a swing trader, hold yourself, wait for the pullback. We still have time, and I will give you these videos on daily basis. I will try to. If you subscribe, if you like, you will see my videos. Make sure you check out these links. If you want to join my Telegram, that's the link. Brokers, that's the link. I'll see you in my next analysis. Till then, take care.